Hello and welcome to the Rainbow Pinwheels. In this video, I'll take you through the process of transforming this blank wall into a beautiful yet simple wall mural. From drawing the design to painting intricate details inspired by traditional South Indian folk art. Whether you are an art lover, a DIY enthusiast, or just here for some relaxing wall painting vibes, you are in for a treat. So let's dive in. Before the paint comes out, it's time to plan the layout. I started by lightly tracing the design onto the wall using a tracing paper and a pencil. It's a bit like sketching a blueprint, making sure all the elements are balanced and symmetrical. With column patterns, symmetry is everything. It brings harmony and rhythm to the design. For designs like these, tracing is a better option. But when we paint leaves, flowers or any asymmetrical design, then freehand drawing is better and can save a lot of time. With the sketch in place, I grabbed my brush and began painting the design. This part is super satisfying. It's where the mural really starts taking shape. This part of the process is slow and careful. Each curve, each loop, each line, each dot has to be painted with control and confidence. I used a terracotta shade for this design as it will give that earthy feel. If you are new to my channel, you can also check out my other art videos. I have more than 300 tutorials about drawing, painting, craft, DIYs, digital painting, lettering and so much more related to art. So please do subscribe and set that notifications button to all so you don't miss on any of my new videos. details went in, I couldn't help but smile. And also I'm so sorry because I forgot to record while painting the tulsi plant and the little diya. But still, there's something magical about transforming a blank space into something sacred and alive. The Tulsi Vrindavan now stands proudly at the center of a terrace, radiating devotion, culture and creativity. And here it is, the finished mural. A little bit of paint, a lot of patience and a whole lot of love. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative journeys. Until next time, keep creating beauty one brushstroke at a time. Bye-bye.